Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, turn on the bell for more video. Welcome our new members, to the old ones. God bless you. If you're passing by, please join us as you're supporting us. May the Lord support you in everything you lay your hands. Amen. To the news and details. Guys, do us a favor, if you haven't, hit that red button that says subscribe, the bell that says so you get to know when we upload new video. Permit me to read the news the way it is. It's actually a very long one today. But please let us listen because it's very, very important. Press briefing on developments in Mazi Nnamdikanu's case coming up on the 21st day of October 2021. We, the members of Oyendu Mazi Nnamdikanu's legal team, ably led by my humble self, wishing to bring to the attention of the public of interesting development in this case. Since our client was abducted in Kenya on the 19th day of June 2021 and consequently extradited rendered to Nigeria, his subsequent secret appearance in court on the 29th day of June 2021 and his non-production in court on the 26th day of July 2021, as well as what we expect in court on the 21st day of October 2021, which is tomorrow. This press briefing became compelling against the backdrop of the 7-count smokescreen amended charge filed against our client last week Friday. After waiting for the over-advertised hybrid amendment for over 3 months, you may recall that upon the adoption of our clients in Kenya on the 19th day of June 2021 and his extradition rendition to Nigeria afterwards, he was secretly brought to court on the 29th day of June 2021 without our knowledge. We, his lawyers, were not notified of these proceedings of the 29th June 2021. Hence, our unavoidable absence, the matter was consequently adjourned to the 26th day of July 2021 for commencement of hearing. This matter then came up on the 26th day of July 2021 for commencement of hearing in the case, but our client, Oyendu Mazi Nnamdikanu, was not produced in court. Neither was there any plausible, convincing reasons for his absence in court on that day, an action which was in violation of court order made by His Lordship, Honorable Justice Nwako, for him to be brought to court on that 26th day of July 2021. Furthermore, in view of the long adjournment of the case already on record, a decision which we believed may have been informed by the annual court's vacation which commenced during the said period, and in view of the court's disposition to hear the matter during the vacation, we applied to the Honorable Chief Judge of the Federal High Court for insurance of a fate to enable His Lordship to proceed with the hearing on the case. This application was considered on its merit, and the Honorable Chief Judge, in his wisdom, consequently granted application for that approval of this request by the Honorable Chief Judge of the Federal High Court was communicated to all parties in the case, including the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, via the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation. Despite being served with this approval for FAT and scheduled for court sitting on the case during the period under reference, the Office of the Director Public Prosecution deliberately failed, neglected, and refused to present any of his representatives to honor the invitation. For any agreement on a convenient date for the trial to commence on the authority of the fate, even after several reminders, the hard fact was we are compelled to swallow today is that despite the approval for faith duly given by the Honorable Chief Judge and the readiness expressed by the court, even in the open court, to proceed with the hearing once faith is granted, the federal government of Nigeria absconded from court. As the world is now aware, tomorrow being the 21st day of October 2021 is the date on record, collectively agreed in an open court by all parties for the commencement of hearing in our client's case. We therefore demand as follows. One, that tomorrow being the 21st day of October 2021 our client should be in court. Mazi Nnamdikanu and must shall be produced in court to face his trial. Thankful. The Land Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation has, though belatedly, filed a 7-count amended charge along with an affidavit of completion of investigation, so there is no excuse or plea or place to hide whosoever again to justify doing this contrary. Second, that security agents ostensibly to be deployed to man the court and its environs, or detailed to provide security on this 21st day of October 2021, should be manifestly civil in their conduct towards the civilian populace who are expected to be in court in their number in solidarity. It is on record today that over 20 persons all over Ebonyi State, indigenous extraction, including a lawyer who were in court on the 26th day of July 2021 to witness the hearing on this case, were intercepted and arrested on their way back home at local jail by the Nigerian security agencies, and to date they are still being held in various detention facilities of the Nigerian security agents without access to their lawyers and family members. Though we have commenced legal actions in court against the security formations, still detaining them in their various detention facilities. This is indeed how low the state can go in gross violation of citizens' rights without these infections being accounted for. But be assured that justice will prevail for their dehumanized citizens in the end. It is therefore to be noted that court premises, particularly the courtroom, is not a barrack or a police station where rules of engagement are treated with levity, and people subjected to all forms of inhuman treatment. We wish to note very strongly that the atmosphere of fair molestation, intimidation, and harassment of civilians around the court premises should not be allowed, as many foreign observers have arrived in the country to witness these all-important trials of the political prisoner. Third, we wish to remind the security agencies that it was in a period such as this in 2015/2016, representatively, that citizens who mainly came out in their number for show of solidarity with our client on the day he was brought to court. 4, we also wish to state that the current tension and regular Monday sit at home being observed by our people in the southeast, despite the exercise being called off by our client peaceful movement, is steadily gaining momentum because of our people are yet to see and believe that our client Mazi Nnamdikanu is still alive. Fifth, that the security agent should avoid any situation that will result to any form of maltreatment to the lawyers in court whose consistency is in that very court, the media, or those that will be attending court in solidarity with our client. 6, we demand for justice, for fair hearing /trial and fair play, which will not only be done in the open court but manifest but manifestly be seen to have been done by an average person watching from close proximity. Further note that our objection to the competency or otherwise of the newly amended 7-count charge is now before the court, and we believe most strongly that there shall be light at the end of the tunnel. We thank you all for being part of this briefing, while promising you all that the victory shall be ours and justice shall prevail in the end. Thank you all and remain blessed with love from all of us, the legal team. Signed, Ifani Ejiofor, leading counsel to Mazi Nnamdikanu, IPOB 20, October 2021. Guys, this is the press briefing. I apologize that it's so long, but I have to give us all the update, what you have to expect in court tomorrow. Please do not forget to like, share, leave your comments in the section below, turn on the bell for more updates. I love you guys, and I will see us on my next video. Bye bye guys. Bye.